Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is the giveaway drawing for the background design votes, and if you stick around to the end after the giveaway drawing, I'm going to give you a quick little tip, hint, reminder on some of the possibilities of the templates. Okay, so last video, the last time, 2 weeks ago, we did a giveaway drawing background. You had to vote for the next two backgrounds that you wanted to see on the Basically Amazing Enchanted Decorative Edge add-on. And you had to leave a vote in the comments, and so I pull those comments into the YouTube random comment picker, and that's how we pick a winner. So we picked two winners. So first, what I'm going to tell you is which ones got the most vote from the last drawing. And that was the coffee stain background design. There is the Etsy listing, and then that's the second photo, so it shows you a bigger version of the background design. The coffee stained background design and the vintage polka dots. So there's my printer saying hi. So there's the Etsy listing for the vintage polka dot, and then there is the fuller, that's the second photo in the Etsy listing. So these are now available in my Etsy shop, and I'll have my Etsy shop linked down below. If you want to check these out, there's also a coupon code and all of that. The next giveaway drawing, all that info is going to be here in a minute. So don't go just yet if you are excited to get these. The coffee stained might be my ultimate favorite ever of all, because it goes with everything, because I love that vintage look. And then the vintage polka dot also, again, goes with everything. I just love these. They're a great background, so you can just put your photos, or you can just put your ephemera, or you can just put your pretty embellishments on top of. I mean, it's just, these are some of my favorites. I love the background designs that don't jump out and grab you so much. They're just in the background, but they're there and they're beautiful and they contribute to your layout, you know? But in a simple way, without it being too crazy, you know? So those are the two that won. So the winners will get to choose between the coffee stained and the vintage polka dot. And there'll be an email down below that you need to contact me in order to claim your winnings. So that's all in the description box. So these are the two that won. And then I guess I could go ahead and tell you when the next background design drawing. Well, let me tell you this. The two that are left are grungy wood and light wood. So we won't be voting, obviously, because those are the last two that are left, the two wood background designs. So for the next drawing, just leave me a comment and tell me what your favorite thing is about the Basically Amazing Enchanted Decorative Edge add-on. Tell me what your favorite thing is about that. Just leave that in the comment down below this video, and and make sure you're a subscriber to my channel as well, and you will be entered to win the next giveaway drawing, which is in 2 weeks, which will be it says leave your vote, but you just leave a comment, which will be August 11th, 2023. Let me modify that really fast. Leave a vote. Leave your, let's see, leave your, let me move this, leave your whoop, favorite thing about the templates. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to read that, but that way I'll be able to remember what I was supposed to be looking for. August 11th. So that'll be the next drawing. So you have until August 10th to leave your favorite thing about this set of templates in the comments down below this video. So August 11th is the next drawing. Okay. So let me move this, or let me close that. So here's what we're going to do. I've already pulled in the video URL. I'm going to scooch you in so you can see. And I'm going to hit start. I already got the comments and everything. Oh, I've already got my battery flashing. I'm going to hit start. It's going to shuffle through all your comments. And then, at least I think I've already done it. I've already done it? What happened? And then I'll check to make sure you're a subscriber to my channel. Is this right? There we go. Okay, I need to pick another one. I hope it's focused. All right, I'm gonna check to see if you are a subscriber. Okay, congratulations to Beatrice. You are the first winner, so you need to contact me via that special email down below, and we'll get the ball rolling. You said, I think I vote for grungy wood and light wood. Thank you for all you do. You are awesome. Love, love, love this album. So sorry about that, but you do get to pick between Coffee Stain and Vintage Polka Dot. So they're both great. So congratulations to Beatrice. And now I need to pick another one. And I'm going to hit pick another winner. And let me just make sure my camera's focused. I'm going to hit start. Okay, I need to pick another winner. I'm going to hit start. Okay, third time's a charm. I'm going to pick another winner. Okay, well, third time was not a charm. I'm going to hit it again. Pick another winner. Oh, hang on just a second. Okay, congratulations to Peggy Fitzmaurice. If I said that terrible, I'm so sorry. I'm not really good at pronouncing things. I'm not good at reading. I'm not good at pronouncing. I don't know. You are the second winner. You say I vote for Coffee Stain and Light Wood. So you need to contact me via that email down below, and you have until I didn't write that down. Actually, hang on. You guys have until August 4th, 2023 to contact me to collect your winnings. You just email me. Even if I don't get back to you right away, as long as you've emailed me in that time frame, we are good to go. It's weird the way that the emails are set up. I mean, I didn't set it up. It's the way the email works. But like, I don't know. It's hard to explain. I think I need to set an alarm on my phone because sometimes I just forget to check it because it's a different email than the emails that I normally look at. So anyway, congratulations to those two winners. You have 1 week to contact me to claim your winnings. Okay, I'm gonna stick this in here. All right, so before my quick tip, I wanted to tell you guys there's 2 coupon codes, and they are, or no, sorry, there's not 2. There's 1 coupon code. I don't know why I said 2. There's a coupon code, and it is Enchanted 30, ENCHANTED. Let me scooch you in. I don't know why I scooched you back out. All caps, no spaces. It's good for 30% off everything in my Etsy shop with a minimum purchase of $19 US before any taxes or coupon codes. So, basically, it's if you buy the Basically Amazing Enchanted Decorative Edge, you can get 30% off your entire purchase of whatever else you put in your cart. You can use it as many times as you want. It's valid today after the time of this video posting to August 4th, 2023. So be sure to take advantage of that. 30% off everything in my Etsy shop. So there's a lot of stuff in there. So feel free to peruse around, and I'll have it linked down below. The coupon code I'll have all that information in the description box. Okay, so here's the quick tip I wanted to tell you, and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick tip / reminder about printing on your pattern paper. So when I first created templates, one of the biggest reasons I created the templates was to be able to print it directly onto your pattern paper, and that way you can cut it out and put everything together and you have a beautiful creation. So I've kind of gotten away from that just a little bit because of the size of the albums and the Basically Amazing templates. There isn't as many items on each page, so a lot of times I don't print directly onto the pattern paper, but I wanted to remind you that you can. So for example, in the next video that you see after this video, which I don't know what day that'll be, we are going to be using page 7A in our page setup. So page 7A is one of the main base pages. It's a decorative edge. And 54A is the mat for that. So what I did was I cut, this is a 12 by 12 piece of pattern paper. And I cut my, okay, first of all, I want to clarify too, I am in the US, so my standard paper size is letter, 8.5 by 11 US letter size paper. So I cut my paper down to that size paper. If you are A4 standard size, you need to cut your paper down to A4 size. And when you go to print, you need to unclick fit to page so that it shrinks it down just 1/8 of an inch, just itty bitty smidgy smidge. It's just a teeny tiny little bit, not much at all. You cut your paper down to that paper size, not 8.5 by 11. Okay, so again, I am US letter standard 8.5 by 11. So I cut my paper, my 12 by 12 cardstock, I cut it to, this is 8.5 width, and then I cut it to 11 tall. Now, if some of you have been around long enough to remember, let me grab it if it's not too shoved in here. Remember the scrapper keepers. Wow, this has been a long time since we've made this. If you want to see how to make a scrapper keeper, I will put it up in the cards there and in the description box. And these we made to house these large cut-off pieces. So this is the 3.5 inch cut-off piece, and then there's slots over here for the 1 inch cut-off pieces. So I just wanted to show you guys, we haven't used one of these in a long time. I haven't made an album this way in a long time. So anyway, these are all the pieces I had left over from obviously previous projects. But yeah, if you want to see how we made this, I will link that for you guys. Oh, this is one of my most favorite paper collections. It's a shame it's no longer around, the Marion Smith paper collection. Yeah, anyway. So I just wanted to show you guys. So I made one on camera for my mom, actually, for Mama Bee a long time ago. So anyway, so then this is what, whenever I say a large cutoff piece, this is the piece I'm talking about, and this is the small cutoff piece. So a lot of times in my templates, I will create specific templates that you can use these cutoff pieces for, and that is not any different in the Basically Amazing system. There are pages you can use these to mat those things specifically for, and sometimes I state that and sometimes I don't, but even this piece, and this has got the extra from the pad, but it's a 1 inch piece, so a lot of times I will create things in the templates that these pieces can mat those pages with. Okay, so I try to not be as wasteful as possible, you know, when I am creating templates. I try to think everything through as best as I can. But anyway, so I ran this through my printer. But you can see this one's got foil on one side and the other side does not. But when I stuck it in my printer, let's say this is facing up, my printer will suck it in like this and print out like that, okay? So I wanted this side to be facing up. So when I printed it, I wanted to make sure this side was the side that I printed on, because the page we're going to be using is going to actually be this way. So it's going to be opening this way, okay? This decorative edge is going to be on this side. So I did have to print it on the back side of the paper. But I just wanted to remind you guys that that is an easy way to get things printed off where you don't have to do a whole lot of inking or tracing. You can skip all those steps. Do you see what I'm saying? So then you can just easily cut it out just like you would any other template or any other page that you print. I try to cut off the biggest chunks first so that I can use those for other things. So it's just that simple. So now you have a mat for your page 7A. And you can just ink it up and then you can mat your page. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick little reminder, because we haven't been doing that a lot. And I'm going to be using this in the next video that you see. So I thought I would just show it here in this video. Okay, you guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me what your, what did I say? What is your favorite thing about this set of templates? Just leave me a comment. Make sure you're a subscriber to my channel. Make sure you're a subscriber to my channel in order to be entered into the giveaway. And the next giveaway drawing is August 11th, 2023 via a YouTube video, most likely. And don't forget the coupon code Enchanted30, all caps, no spaces, 30% off everything in my Etsy shop. There is a specific place to put a coupon code. It doesn't help if you put it in the notes. That's not where you put a coupon code. So if something happens that you don't get your percentage off, just contact me via your purchase. As long as you, or if you have issues and you don't make the purchase, contact me during that time frame, July 28th through August 4th. Contact me during that time frame and we will get it all sorted out for you. No problem, just contact me via Etsy. I don't, there's nothing I can do in Facebook, like when it comes to Etsy purchases. There's nothing I can do in Facebook. There's nothing I can do in the YouTube. You only can contact me via Etsy if you have an Etsy problem, okay? That is the only way I can help you. Everything's not all connected. It's, you know what I'm saying? So just contact me via Etsy if you have any issues with your Etsy purchase. All right, you guys. Thanks so much for entering into the giveaway. Thanks for watching this video, and let me know your thoughts, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.